dear students. Now, today I am going to explain you a simple thing of 4th standard to 10th standard. But students are confused in it. That is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण दशांश चिन्ह असलेल्या अंकांच्या बेरजा वजाबाक्या बघूया. बरेच विद्यार्थी डाव्या वर्गात येऊन सुद्धा याच्यामध्ये बरोबर करू शकत नाही. काही उदाहरणं घेऊन मी तुम्हाला दशांश नंबरचे बेरजा आणि वजाबाक्या सांगतो. I am going to explain you a very simple thing first of all, that this is the number 35 and this is the number 35.2. But is there any decimal point in the number 35? So the answer is yes. There is decimal point in the number 35 too. Where it is then? That is always after this unit place number, and 35 means in mathematics it is 35.0. Always keep in mind that any number which you see always, that suppose 237, it is actually 237.0. This thing you first of all keep in your mind. Now suppose what happens, that I want to add 39 plus 2.7. 39 plus 2.7. Then many students confuse how to add this. So we will take use of that concept that there is decimal point to every number. We know 39 means 39.0. 39 means 39.0. And we have to add 2.7. Now there is a simple rule that take decimal point below the decimal point. What is the simple rule? Take decimal point below the decimal point. So I am writing this decimal point here. Now I have to write 2.7. So 7 I am writing here and 2 I am writing here. That's the simple trick. And now the remaining places you fill by 0 and add these two numbers. Now it's very easy for you. Decimal point is always decimal point below it. Now 7 plus 0, 7. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1, that I am writing here. And 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is 41.7. So this is the simple trick how to add number into decimal point number. Now take another example. To 329.8 plus 91.02. Now how to add these two numbers? Simple rule. Write this number first of all, 329.8 plus simplest rule is decimal point below the decimal point. दशांश चिन्हाच्या खाली दशांश चिन्ह मांडायचं. So point below the point. And now adjust these numbers, digit below the digit, 0, 2. So 0 below 8 and 2 here. And 1, 9. So 1 below 9 and this 9 is below 2. Now if you are confused still, these remaining places you can fill by 0. So 329.8 means 329.80. It is one and the same thing here. Now 8 plus 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 0, 8. Point below the point. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 and carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 and again carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 420.82. This is the simple way. Now the same thing is applicable for subtraction. Same thing applicable for subtraction. Again 329.8 minus point below the point 0, 2. 0, 2, 1, 9, 1, 9. Remaining places fill by 0. Now subtraction method, that is your borrow method. So 0, you cannot subtract 2 from 0. 0 मधून 2 मायनस होत नाही, कारण की छोट्या संख्येतून मोठी संख्या मायनस होत नाही. Now in your borrow system, you borrow one. Actual take means you borrow one from this 8. And actually this 8 has given 1 to him, it is become 10, and this 8 becomes 7. Because it has given 1 to this 0. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 0, 7. Point below point. 9 minus 1, 8. No need to take 1 because 9 minus 1 you can do. But now 2 is smaller number, 9 is bigger number. You cannot subtract 9 from 2. So this 2 has to borrow 1 from 3. So 3 give his 1 to this 2 and it becomes 12. And this 3 as it given 2, as it given 1, it becomes 2. या 3 ने आपला 1 या 2 ला दिला, त्याच्यामुळे या 2 चे 12 करायचे, त्याच्यावर 1 लिहायचा, आणि या 3 ने 1 दिल्यामुळे 3 मधून 1 चालला गेला, तो 3 झाला 2. 12 मधनं 9 गेले, 3 राहिले, आणि 2 मधनं 0 गेला, 2 राहिला. Answer is 238.78. Here you keep always in mind 2 minus 0 is 2. But you cannot do 0 minus 2. This you cannot do. Many students writing answer 2 here. That's wrong. 2 minus 0 is 2. But 0 minus 2 you have to borrow 1 from another number. That's everything for addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. And if you want more such problems and solutions and interesting simple things, then subscribe my channel and see the next videos on channel itself.